this video, I'm going to show you how to create a scatter plot with a play axis. So this is a miscellaneous graphic that I'm throwing into the lending loan report because I have some good data to show you how to create the scatter plot, even though it doesn't quite fit in with our theme of showing the percent of loans fully paid off. So recall that in a scatter plot, we need to look at the relationship between two quantitative variables. So I'm going to choose to look at the relationship between annual income on the x-axis and loan amount on the y-axis. All right, so you'll see that our scatter plot doesn't look very interesting right now. Power BI often automatically summarizes our data, so we could choose to do not summarize. Right now it has the sum of annual income, which is not going to be something we would typically look at for a scatter plot. I'm going to say don't summarize. And then for loan amount, I'm also going to say don't summarize. And I have a lot of data here, and I can't see a whole lot of interesting patterns looking at it this way. What I'm going to do instead is look at the average annual income and the average loan amount for each type of loan purpose. I'm going to put that on the legend. All right, and so now each dot represents the average annual income and the average loan amount for particular purposes. We're simply exploring the scatter plot options right now. So there's no right or wrong way to do this. I simply want you to see the different features available to you in the scatter plot option. Okay, now I could get into formatting these data colors if we were trying to send a particular message with this graphic. But since we're exploring, I'm not going to take the time to do that right now. I do want to show you how you can add a play axis, which is a fun feature. If you come back over here to your graphing options and scroll down, you'll see you have an option for a play axis. I'm going to put issue year on the play axis. And so now it has these averages for the different years in our data set. You'll see that along here, and I can click play and it'll move throughout the different years. And you can pause it along the way if you want it to stop at a particular year. Okay, a couple of notes about the play axis. For some reason, when a play axis is on your scatter plot, your options to add color to the different data categories goes away. And I have contacted the Power BI forum group about this, and they indicate that this will be changed in a future version of Power BI, but right now we can't manipulate color with the play axis. Another point I want to make about the play axis is that the play axis is only available as an option when your X and Y variable are aggregated. Right now I have the average of each, and the play axis is available. If I change this to don't summarize, then that option is not available anymore. This is another question that I have that I've posed to the Power BI group. So I'm not sure if this is going to get updated or not. But anyway, if you are interested in seeing the relationship between aggregated data for the X and Y axis, then you have this option for the play axis.